Ever see those AI Reddit story videos?
My neighbor's mom barged into my house uninvited. What would you do?
Today, I'm going to show you how. The last tip is the best one, so make sure you watch till the end. First, look if you have an aged YouTube channel. If you don't, YouTube might think it's a bot and stuck the video at 0 views. Pick a story niche: dating problems, teachers, horror stories, or wholesome moments. Let's go with wholesome. Ask ChatGPT for a channel name, image, and description. Upload your images from ChatGPT, and you're ready to go. Next, it's story time. Go to YouTube and search for one of these games: Minecraft, Subway Surfers, or GTA 5 Ramp Cars. These work best. Today, we'll pick Minecraft. Go on YT and search for a no-copyright video and download it using this website. You can find it in the description, where all of the links I use will be. Then go to ChatGPT and ask for a wholesome story with a Reddit question and a CTA title. Go to Reddit, post, template. Paste the image, the title, and I like to do these setting: verified, 99 upvotes and comments, dark mode, approximate counts, hide trophies. Most people use CapCut, but you're smarter than that. Go to Clipchamp and log in. Clipchamp is better because it has text to voice. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Add your Minecraft background, paste your template, and use text to voice for the question and the story. Make the story template a little smaller than the question. Generate captions, place them in the center, and delete the caption for the template. It looks cleaner. And just like that, you've made your first AI Reddit story. If this helped you, like this video and tell me in the comments what tutorials you would like to see.